Alright. Hey, just follow. Watch your back. You got me. Good shot. She's a leg shooter. Shot me in the leg too. Oh, shit.
Is that Shelly?
Yeah. I got one of them. Right in the fucking kneecap. Hey, we're twinsies. I got shot in the kneecap. That's gonna be nice.
That one I was like, you got me like, because you went this way and then I was like, oh, she's out. And then she just freaking was looking straight at me.
Yeah, the other one was. Yeah, they were kind of together, so I got her. I passed her up, and then I looked back, and I was like, oh shit, so I got her.
Hi guys, head back.
Yeah, yeah.